In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export profiles in Cursor AI. First, open Cursor and click on File at the top. From the menu, go down to Preferences and select Profile. To import a profile, look at the top left side and click the drop-down next to New Profile. Select Import Profile. Choose the file you want to import from your computer, then click Open. You can preview it, cancel it, or click Create to finish importing. Once done, the imported profile will appear in your list of profiles. To export a profile, select the profile you want to export. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Export. Give the file a name, press Enter, and choose where to save it on your computer. For example, you can save it in your Downloads folder. The export will complete quickly, and you'll see the file appear in the location you selected. That's how to import and export profiles in Cursor AI.